Next, we have yam. Just like vitamin C, yam is fantastic for easing and soothing the throat. It can be consumed as a supplement or incorporated into your meals for a snore-free night. If your snoring is due to blocked sinuses, you might want to try herbal nasal sprays. These sprays are designed to open up nasal passages, making it easier for you to breathe. The beauty of herbal remedies is that they don't just mask the problem, they work to eradicate the root cause. Plus, they come with the added bonus of no side effects as long as you don't overdo it.